Now you can see here, as I told you, the golden rule of genetics is like begets like. A living organism produce young ones similar to them. That is, a living organism produce young ones similar to them. A dog can give only puppies, and a mango tree gives mango seeds only. The basic principle of life, giving rise to life, its own kind, and it is called as like begets like. The kind of making one's copies, a fundamental characteristic of life, becomes possible due to replication of DNA. You know, DNA is genetic material and its transmission to the next generation. Now you can see that as I told you, we'll be learning the different genetic terminology under the heading. You can see these are the examples of a dog can produce dogs only, and the different species you can see here of like begets like. Here you can see further pictures that proves that the organism produces another organism of their own kind. Now you see here heredity can be defined as transmission of characters from one generation to the next generation is called heredity. It means that characters are transmitted from generation to generation, and this signifies the term heredity. You can see these pictures, right? As the parents so the progeny, these pictures can signify the term heredity. Now you see that another term, as I told you, our chapter name is inheritance and variation. Variation, the differences between the parents and offsprings, or among the offsprings of the same parent and among individuals of the same species, is called variation. So in the next slide you can see the different types of variation among individuals. That is, once again you learn the differences between parents and offspring, or among the offspring of the same parents and among individuals of the same species. So you can see some examples of variation here. You can see the variation among different creatures can be seen here in this slide. Now genetics. Genetics can be defined as a branch of biology which deals with the study of heredity and variation. The term genetics was coined by William Bateson in 1906. You can see the picture of William Bateson, or these terms you have learned before the break. So I thought to revise these basic terms before going further. So genetics, once again I say, is the branch of biology that deals with the heredity and variation. The term genetics was coined by William Bateson. This question is asked in the examination, who gave the term genetics? So you have to remember the name of William Bateson. Now, father of genetics, because of his significant contribution, Mendel, Gregor John Mendel, is known as father of genetics. He proposed the famous laws of inheritance, and that is known as Mendelian laws, like law of dominance, law of independent assortment, law of segregation, that you have already studied. So father of genetics is none other than the Gregor John Mendel. He was Austrian. Now you see he worked on the pea plant, that is Pisum sativum. You know, Pisum sativum is the binomial name of pea plant, and it belongs to the kingdom Plantae, and it belongs to the group Angiosperm. So pea plant was the one on which Mendel worked. So definitely, and he gave his famous laws. That time he discovered the factor. You see, these are the nutritional value. Pea is very high in protein content. So this is the quality of pea plant, contains a lot of vitamins, minerals, and this is the content of pea plant. And now Mendelian inheritance, you can see clone. Another term is clone, Organisms produced by asexual reproduction or plants produced by vegetative propagation are identical to their parents, are called clones. You can see the examples of clones right in these pictures. Here you can see factor. Mendel, now the term this factor is known as gene. So particles present in organism which is responsible for the inheritance and expression of the character. That is, particle present in the organism which is responsible for the inheritance and expression of the character.